In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch the Authenticator app for your Dropbox account's two-factor authentication. This process is crucial whenever you need to change the app you use for added security on Dropbox. Whether you're switching to another app or upgrading to a new device, staying secured with two-factor authentication is key to protecting your information. Begin by opening your web browser and signing in to your Dropbox account. Go to Dropbox.com and log in with your credentials. Once logged in, look to the upper right corner where you'll see your profile avatar. Click on this, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, there's a tab labeled Security, which is your next stop. Within the Security tab, you'll notice a section dedicated to two-step verification. This is where you manage your current security methods, either SMS or an Authenticator app. Now, to successfully switch your Authenticator app, we need to dive into this section. If you're currently using an Authenticator app and want to switch to a new one, you'll need to begin by disabling your current Authenticator app method. Think of it like turning off your app before you turn it back on with new settings. This off and on method ensures that everything is set up neatly with your new app. While Dropbox doesn't have a specific button for changing your Authenticator app, this simple process is efficient for transitioning. In the case where you're using SMS for verification, or perhaps switching from SMS to an Authenticator app, the process is slightly different. Start by clicking on Get Started under the two-step verification section. Choose the option to use an Authenticator app, and you'll either scan a QR code with your new app or manually input the secret key provided. Once your new authentication app is configured, and either the QR code is scanned or the key is entered, it's time to verify. Enter the code generated by your new app back into Dropbox. This ensures everything is synced properly. After inputting the correct code, click Next or Save to finalize. As a crucial part of maintaining security, you'll find emergency backup codes also listed here within the Security tab. Make sure to save these codes in a secure place, as they are your lifeline to regaining access should you lose the Authenticator app or switch devices. Once you're confident that everything is correct and the switch is successful, you're officially using the new Authenticator app. Lastly, if you wish, you can delete the old Authenticator app entry within the app itself. This avoids any confusion and ensures you're only generating codes from one trusted source. With these steps, you've successfully switched to your new Authenticator app, reinforcing your Dropbox account's security with ease.